This is Aerosoff, a drone solutions company. Look, we know you've got America to feed, so we'll make this quick. We want to help you produce more crops, but nobody knows how to produce in your field better than you do. But when it comes to the bottom line, you're running a business. You need this business to maximize on its sales, minimize waste of man hours and fertilizer, and make use of every acre out there. That's where we come in. This is Aerosoff, agriculture solutions for the field. Pun intended. We offer some unique services that will help you capitalize on your bottom line. Detecting issues early on, such as growth inconsistency, diseases, crop poaching, drainage opportunities, and elevation mapping, to better plan watering, drainage and fertility, and more. Here's the deal, Pickle. We're using some futuristic hardware and software in ways you wouldn't imagine your business could take advantage of. Our plant health overviews speak volumes on their own. When our data is put to work in your business, it can add thousands to your bottom line, save you a crop ton of money in the long run, and let you spend a little more time in that air-conditioned office. Don't worry, we won't tell. Here's how it works. We map the area before we even get there for our flight. Next, we make our way to your field, where we make the final adjustments to our flight patterns and coverage areas. Next, we strap on our wings and take off like the Wright brothers. We soar over your field in several overlapping patterns, taking hundreds or thousands of images. And hey, after we land, if you want us to, we'll even take a soil sample to put in your report. Next, we head back to our air-conditioned office where we stitch every last image together. View them in multispectral, futuristic, super detailed, interplanetary, megastellar hydrostatic ways. No, really though, it's pretty futuristic stuff. Not only do we create a 2D and 3D model out of these images, but we also put them into an analyzer to view the coloration differences, height differences, and stand count averages for various zones to compile a plant health data analysis. Next, we look at elevation and if it could be related to poor performing stands and clusters. We'll highlight the concerning areas, put some annotations on there describing what we see, and you get the final result. What you do with it after that is your choice. We hope you go against the grain of traditional ways and accept that no field is perfect. So hey, let's get after it and grow that bottom line. Check out our website for pricing information by the acre. Order from there or give us a call and we'll get you set up. Don't worry, boss, we don't need much of your time after that. Thanks for checking out Aerosoff Agriculture Solutions. Please hit that subscribe button and support our Cabbage Patch.